Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. Today's title is called How to Use the TenKei TPT Auto Trading Function Part 4. So with the auto trading function, which stems from here, as a reminder, here is the TPT, which is the main, I would say this is the main part of the system. Is the manager. It manages your trades, and it's good whether you have one of these EAs over here, or whether you have your own EA, or whether you just want to trade manually and just, get into a trade. It'll help you to manage your trades. But the auto trading here, where it starts at 7, starts this off at 7, so that when it starts would look like that. Now, the thing is, I've put this auto trading on here because on the TPT there is a start time here, 7 AM, or whatever time you wish to put in for your start time, but there is no end time. So as you can see, I clicked on OK because it's now after trading hours here for us. There's no end time. So this will always come up when you switch this on. When you switch auto trading on, this will always come up, especially if the time is after 7 AM. So right now it's 7 AM. No, here it's 7 AM. Right now it is 20 to 5 PM. So this will keep on going until the next day, 7 AM. Okay, so when we switch this off here, auto trading, that shows it's off because it's off. Since auto trading is off, this EA here also shows it's off. Okay, so if you wanted to start trading again at this time and you switch auto trading on, this would come on, the manager would come on, but the trading system itself would not come on. This wouldn't come on. This EA, T7 EA would not come on because, watch this, the trading time in here has been set between 8 AM and 4:30 PM. The time is now 4:42. So when you switch this on to place more trades, this will say none trading time. So if ever you see none trading time, don't panic. Just go into the EA over here to find out why is it saying that. And if you look in here and you see the time of 8 AM, if you now know it's past 8 AM, the morning has passed, the afternoon has passed, mid-afternoon, and now it's late afternoon, 4:30, and you can see this is 4:30, but the time now currently is 4:42. That means you'll know that this none trading time here makes sense. So if you wanted this to be a trading time, what you need to do is you need to change this time, and let's change it, for example, to the end of the US market, the close, 9 PM in the UK, 4 PM in the US. Click OK. Again, we wait, and now it says it's ready to trade. So this, in fact, would start looking for trades up until 9 PM in relation to this, looking for 12.5 points. Be looking for 12.5 points as your profit, or your stop loss, 37.5 points, which is 12.5 times 3. I'm just going to hit this button over here because nothing's happened yet. Don't want to place a trade anyway, because this is also, as you can see, on a sad face. Sad face means, reminder, allow live trading switched off. But do you understand that? Do you get that? So if you wanted to do multiple trades, you could do so. But if you wanted to do multiple trades, you may not always get your 12.5 each time. So to do multiple trades, as in scalping the trades, you could set this figure here to something like 3. 3. So when this places a trade, if it goes 3 points in your favor, it will shut down. And then you can switch it back on again. So if it went 3 points in our favor, it would shut down like that. Auto trading is off. And if you said, okay, you got your 3 points, you want to do it again, switch on auto trading. You get another 3 points, it will shut down. It will go off. And you can just keep doing that, repeat it until you hit a target you are happy with. Okay? I hope that explains it for you. I'm going to put this back to 12.5, reverse everything, but that is it. Okay, thank you.